Welcome to all. So today we are going to discuss the dynamic routing protocol. So OSPF protocol. So we are going to discuss that protocol today. So we are going to assign the route in between source to destination dynamically without assigning the static route to each other. So this protocol is actually identify the route in between source to destination based on the given router status. Okay, so based on that detail, it take a route in between source to destination. So right now I'm going to take 3 routers for this. Okay, and I'm going to take 2 switches and 2 PCs. Okay, so now I need to connect all these 3 routers to each other by the serial link. Click the router and go to turn off the router, and here track it out. So now it's enabled the serial link for this. So this is a way you need to turn on the serial link. Right. So to connect those devices to each other, okay, right. So right now we are going to configure these network together. So first, so we need to configure this route. Okay, so now to configure the router 0, configure terminal. So first interface is here, the gigabit ethernet 0/0. IP address 192.168.10.1, 255.255.255.0. no shutdown. No shutdown. Right. So exit. As usual, we need to configure the link here, serial 0/3/0. Okay, interface serial. Okay, IP address 10.1 2. Right. So no shutdown here. Exit. So we need to configure the dynamic routing. So we need to configure the protocol here, OSPF protocol. Router. So router OSPF1. Okay, now we need to configure the network 10.0 255. Here area 0. Okay, and network 3 area 0. Okay, exit, right. So now go to here, the link in between there 0/3/0. okay, right. Now enable configure terminal interface serial interface 0/3/0 IP address 10.0.0.2 2 no shutdown exit interface. So now to go to this interface 0/3/1. okay, serial link 0/3/1. okay, IP address 5. okay, no shutdown exit, right. Now we need to configure the protocol, OSPF protocol, right. So the router OSPF1 and network 10.0 and 0.0.0.3 area 0, and now network 10.4 3 area 1. okay, exit, right. Okay, now we need to configure this router. Go to this router. So the interface is here. To click 0/3/0. So that is the interface. Enable configure terminal interface serial link 0/3/0. okay, here you see that 0/3/0, right. IP address 10.0.0.06, right. And now no shutdown exit. So this interface over here gigabit is 0/0. okay, interface gigabit Ethernet 0, IP address 192.168.30.1 0, no shutdown exit. So now we need to configure the OSPF protocol here. Router OSPF1 and network 192.168.30.0 area 1. area 1 exit. So now we need to configure the end systems. Okay, here we need to configure the end systems one by one. Go to the end system here. So what is the default gateway of this? The default gateway here, this end system default gateway is this router. So what is a router? What is the interface of this? So that is a default gateway here, 192.168.10.1. and now go to the IP address 192.168.10.10, right? And now go to here, this PC. So what is the default gateway? This is the default gateway for this end system. So click it now and go to the configuration section and click the default gateway. Enter 192.168.30.1. Here 192.168.30.10. okay, right. So we need to we try to ping from PC1 to PC0. So here click it, and so we need to know the IP address. Okay, 10.10. okay, go to their desktop, command prompt, ping 192.168.10. 10.10. Yeah, it works perfectly. Tracer 192.168.10.10. okay, so this is a tracer information. So how to check these route in between source to destination was configured by the OSPF protocol or not. Okay, go to the any of the router, click the router here, and now show, so use this command, show IP OSPF neighbor. So it will display to you the neighbor of this router. Okay, so this is a neighbor ID here, 10.0.0.5. so this is state the full access. So this is the address of your given IP. So what kind of interface which connected by each other, serial link 0/3/0. and another one, show IP route. So once you click here, you can see the O which is defined by OSPF protocol. So you can see that, so which is configured by OSPF protocol. Okay, right. So I hope you understood. So get practice. See you in the next video.